Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. In the last computer class, we have learned about the remaining topics in that lesson, in the first lesson. In this class, let's recall all the topics in this lesson. What is our first topic in the first lesson, children? Internet. As you all know, Internet stands for International Network of Computers. Who is the father of the internet, children? Winton Gray. What is the use of internet, children? We can easily read newspapers, magazines, books. We can chat with others. We can communicate with our friends or relatives who are far from us. We can play games. We can keep ourselves updated each and every time. We can do online shopping. We can read recipes. We can do railway reservations and so on. Like that, in the internet, we are also having the next topic of World Wide Web. World Wide Web means it is also called as WWW. Who invented World Wide Web, children? Tim Berners-Lee with the help of his friend Robert Callier in 1990. What is the use of World Wide Web, children? It is connected with each and every website. It is having each and one website is contains many number of web pages like that. World Wide Web uses client server technology. In the last class, in the first class of the computer class, we have learned about client server technology. What is the means of client server technology, children? Client means we are sending request to the server which will accept the request and it will process the request and responds to our request. For example, if you want to if you want to book a railway ticket, so you will go to the reservation website, then you will book your ticket. Like that, how the server will respond to your booking? Like that, client means yourself. You are doing your request. You are sending request to the server. The server will accept your request. Like that, that is nothing but called client server technology. The next topic is futures of World Wide Web. How many futures are there, children? So we are having 5 futures of World Wide Web. What are the, children? Availability of content, universal standard, hypertext and hyperlink, quick search, focus on shared interest. So availability of content, which means we can view the content, so 24 by 7. So throughout the day and throughout the week we can view the content. Next, universal standard. So each and every website is designed by using HTML and the protocol it was used as a HTTP protocol. And the next one, hypertext and hyperlink. Hypertext means in the website it is designed by using HTML. HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language. So it is designed by HTML. It contains hypertext. Hypertext is nothing but it contains graphics, text, audio, video, images and so on. Hyperlink means it will provide a link which is able to move from one web page to another web page or from one website to another website. Like next thing, quick search. Quick search is nothing but if you want to search for a thing or search for a word, how you will search for a word in a dictionary? Like that, if you want to search for a content, you will go to the Google page or you will go to the search engine, you will search. Like that, the server will respond your search request and it will accept your request and it will gives you many number of pages what you have made a request for. The last thing is focus on shared interest, which means it is able to bring common interests together. If you want to chat with your friends, for example, social networking sites, it is able to share your opinions, views, ideas, and so on. So these all are 5 futures of World Wide Web. And the next topic is difference between between Internet and World Wide Web. Internet means it is a connection of millions of computers, whereas coming to World Wide Web, it contains set of programs. Programs means set of instructions. It contains files such as text, audio, video and so on. And next one, Internet offers many number of services such as email, chatting, online forums, database, telnet and so many like that. But World Wide Web is one of the service which is available from the Internet. Next, Internet, it works on independent platform, whereas World Wide Web, it is a part of the Internet. So these are some of the differences between World Wide Web and the Internet. Next comes to the topic web terminology. In that we are having the first topic HTML. As I said before, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to design websites. Websites contains many number of web pages. Next topic is web page. A web page contains a web page is written by using HTML language. A web page contains text, audio, video, images and so on. Next thing is website. A website contains many number of web pages. It is also written by using HTML language. And the next topic is web browser. So we will design web pages and websites. Where we can view these web pages and websites by using a web browser. With the help of web browser, we can view the websites. Websites contains web pages. These web pages contains hypertext and hyperlink. Hypertext is nothing but it contains text, audio, video and so on. There are many different number of websites. Any example of a website, children? Google Chrome, Opera, Mozilla Firefox, these all are different websites. The next topic is URL. URL is nothing but Uniform Resource Locator. So as you all know, children, each and every house is having individual door numbers. Like that, if you are using computer or internet, you will be having one address. That address is nothing but that address will be in the form of numerical format. That address what is that address called, children? IP address. Like that, if you are using any website or web page, you will be having one address. That address is called Uniform Resource Locator, URL. If you want to view Google Chrome, what is the URL of the Google, children? http://www.google.com. It is the URL of a Google page, like that. So if you want to say any address of any website, it is nothing but called URL of a web page or website, like that. Next thing, home page. The starting page of every website is called home page. Home page, for sometimes the website contains a single page. Nothing problem in a single page. That single page is also called as a home page. It contains full details about that web page, that website. All the details, all the information about that company will be provided there. And the next topic is web portal. How like we are using search engine, children? Search engine means if you want to listen songs through the search engine, if we type the song, we can listen. If you want to see movie, we can see there. If you want to search for any topic, we can search there. Like that, web portal is nothing but a gateway or an entrance. So it will give all the results what you are asking, not only email, chatting and so on. It provides like as an entrance. So we can view all the topics, all the search what you want to search for. So web portal acts as a search engine. The famous search engine is Google search engine. As you all know, Google search engine is a famous search engine. Nowadays everyone are using that. Next thing, web addressing system. As I said before, each and every phone number is different with other phone number. So if you are using the phone number, your phone number will not match with others' phone number. How it is possible? Means they will design one phone number. Like that, web addressing system means each and every website contains a web address. That web address is different from one website to another website. Like that, Internet Engineering Task Force engineers will develop that web address. These all will be used to the web addressing system. It is also called as a character-based addressing system or numerical-based addressing system. The character-based addressing system is nothing but called as a domain name addressing system. For example, www.google.com. Here, Google acts as a domain. .com acts as an extension. The Internet Engineering Task Force will design all these things. Next comes to the next topic, IP address. This IP address is also called as a number addressing system. It is a 32-bit addressing system. It starts from 0 to 255 separated by periods. Periods is nothing but dot. So, for example, 205.198.0.1, it is a number addressing system. If we type this one in our address bar, we will get that website. Or if we type www.google.com, also we will get that website. And the last topic is domain naming system. As I said before, in the web addressing system, the Internet Engineering Task Force, we are having two types, domain addressing system and character addressing, numeric addressing system. The last topic is domain naming system. Domain name is nothing but the company name. For example, I said www.google.com. Here, the company will act as a domain and .com will act as an extension. So there are many domain name. In the domain name system, the domain name will be interpreted into the IP address. Here there are many domain name system, there are many extensions. In your textbook in page number 9, if you see, there are many extensions. For example, commercial, governmental, organization, information, US military, and for example, if we use for our educational purposes, we will use .edu as an extension. Like that, there are many different types of extensions are there. Once you all go through these all topics, and you will be having a class test. I will inform the date when you will be having the class test. And all of you prepare for your periodical 1 exams. All the best for your exams, children. Be safe and be at home. Thank you.